Maine, like so much of our country, faces a shortage of healthcare workers. One study says our state could be short 120 primary care doctors, and nearly 40% of current doctors are close to retirement.
One patient with a rare incurable disease says losing her PCP could have a devastating impact on her health. News Center Maine's Vivian Lee has a story from South Paris.
Emma Magic Einhorn says she knew something was wrong with her body, even when she was a child.
I would fall a lot. I had a lot of bumps and bruises. I would bruise easily.
As Einhorn got older, she had severe joint pain and swelling, and her joints became harder to move. Doctors still couldn't figure out why. Even so, she had 2 daughters and stayed active, often hiking. At 42, she finally learned she had Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, or EDS. This inherited condition affects 1 in 500 people in the U.S. and has no cure. One symptom can lead to others, and her health has worsened over time.
I can't feel parts of my legs. I have severe stabbing pains. There's dislocations every single day.
Einhorn can't walk more than 12 feet and now uses a wheelchair. The disease has also caused other conditions, including autism and ADHD. For 7 years, her primary care doctor at Central Maine Healthcare's Topsom Family Medicine has helped her manage symptoms and improve her quality of life.
Heard, seen, valued for the first time in my whole life.
Earlier this fall, she found out her doctor would be leaving the practice.
And I said, can you temporarily transfer me to another doctor till I can find someone else? Nope. All of his patients are being discharged.
We need to do whatever we can to maintain our healthcare infrastructure, but consumers can't be left holding the bag.
Ann Woolison is the executive director of Consumers for Affordable Healthcare. Studies show that 13 out of Maine's 16 counties don't have enough health professionals. She says the state needs more incentives to bring in and keep healthcare providers. Another concern for Einhorn was finding a doctor in the shrinking pool of those who accept Maine Care.
And it's like, how can you do this? And I know I'm not the only one.
After weeks of uncertainty, Einhorn found another PCP in Rumford, but she is concerned about getting the treatment she needs. Einhorn's grown daughters also have the disease, and she has dedicated her time to helping others with EDS on social media to raise awareness. In South Paris, Vivian Lee, News Center, Maine.
And News Center Maine reached out to CMMC for a statement about the doctor leaving the practice and discharging patients, but we have not yet heard back.